In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Shopify in a simple and easy way. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or looking to update your existing payment options, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have a seamless payment experience for your customers. To begin, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen and click on the Settings option. This is where all the essential configurations for your online store are managed. After clicking Settings, you'll be presented with a variety of options. For our purposes today, we're interested in the Payments tab. Simply click on Payments to proceed. Now that you're in the Payment Settings area, you'll see an option labeled Choose a Provider. This is where you can specify which payment processor you'd like to integrate with your Shopify store. You'll notice a list of several providers, each offering different features and benefits. You might already have a preference, but if not, take a moment to evaluate the available options to find one that suits your needs. If you have a specific payment processor in mind, you can use the search bar to quickly locate it. Once you've identified your chosen payment provider, click on the Install button next to its name. This action will initiate the installation process, integrating the provider with your Shopify store. As you click Install, a prompt will appear, prompting you to log into your bank account or the account associated with the payment provider. This step is crucial, as it authenticates your account and connects it securely to your Shopify store. Follow the prompts carefully. These may include verifying your identity or reviewing and agreeing to the terms of service provided by the payment processor. It's important to ensure that all information entered is accurate to avoid any interruptions in payment processing later on. Take note of any special options or configurations that might be offered during this setup process, as some providers offer customizable features that could benefit your store's operations. Once you've completed the login and any additional setup steps, your payment method will be configured and ready to use on your Shopify store. Customers will now have the option to choose this payment method at checkout, providing them with a streamlined, secure buying experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've not only expanded the payment options for your customers, but also enhanced the overall functionality of your online store. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your store management a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling!